We've got sheetrock, we've got insulation. Lot 10 finally has some defined spaces. So let's give you a tour so you can see how this Riley floor plan is really shaping up. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and you found Footings to Finished. It's an absolutely perfect day here at Oakland Ridge Estates in Pelham, New Hampshire. 77 degrees, no humidity. Let's check in on lot 10 and see what's going on. This week was all about sheetrock, as we're gonna see as we tour through. This home is finally got some walls, so we're moved past the framing stage. We've moved past the electrical rough-in and the plumbing rough-in, and we've put in the windows. So this is the beautiful living room, fireplace. You're gonna come this way, we'll go out to their deck, and then this will be their eat-in dining room here that flows into the great big kitchen behind me. And then come this way, there's a little mudroom off of the garage, which is gonna be great. Look at this space. It's gonna have built-ins and plenty of places for everything. I wanted to give you a view of this beautiful deck that we're building up nice and high. It's gonna be covered, have a beautiful fan. Eventually they do plan to do some screening. And isn't that nice, right off of the living room? And then of course, all of your beautiful greenery in gorgeous Pelham, New Hampshire. Leaving the eat-in dining room, we're gonna walk through the kitchen, so that's where I'm at right now. Through this hallway is going to be a butler's pantry. So this is going to have uppers and lowers here, and then of course your pantry, which will have all of your dry goods. Moving into what we would consider to be the office space of this home, but I can tell you that these buyers are going to make this into the playroom. Also coming in from the front door, you will have a coat closet here, followed by a half bath for your guests, and then again, flowing into this beautiful living room here. It's really coming together. Let's check out what's going on upstairs. Heading to the second floor, we do have a little landing in the staircase, beautiful natural light that'll flow in, really light up the stairs. And we're moving into the second floor, and I always like to start with the showstopper up here, which is we walk straight into the primary suite. The entire backside of this house is one big primary suite. It's gonna be just beautiful. As you can see, it's huge. The bed will go over here. We have these gorgeous windows that look out into all the trees, all the greenery, beautiful Pelham. Now, let's check out their bathroom. This bathroom, I think, is my dream bathroom. It's one of my favorites that we've ever done. So this, as you can see, we have all of the sheetrock through the rest of the house. This purple sheetrock we use in bathrooms because it's for waterproofing. So you'll have your stand-up tub will be here by the window. Across from the window here will be his and hers vanities. Moving this way will be the walk-in tiled shower here. Also has a beautiful window. And then this will be pantry space. Moving this way, you have your WC, and then you walk into this glorious walk-in closet of your dreams. So big, so much space. I can't wait to see what they do with this space. Moving into the other bedrooms in the home, we have one big bedroom here, and then it flows through into a Jack and Jill bathroom. So here we are again with that purple sheetrock. And this is gonna actually have a tub insert. And then we'll flow through into the other bedroom. Again, equal size, big closets. Let's check out the fourth bedroom. Moving down the hallway, you're gonna have your dedicated laundry room. This also has some purple sheetrock because that's where the washer dryer will be. We're gonna come down this hallway here. And this is essentially another bedroom suite because it's a huge bedroom, as you can see. It also has an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. The attic is still gonna be unfinished like we saw it last time, except this time all the insulation is going in. So you've got your blown-in insulation, you've got your batten insulation, and we're just finishing up here. Whew, big temperature difference up here. Let's go back downstairs, it's way cooler. This part of the build is when it gets really exciting because we can actually see the home, see the defined spaces. Next, we'll move on to taping and mudding. We'll take a look at that next week. Then we'll start doing finishes and appliances. It's all really coming together. Do you love touring new construction homes as much as I do? Then don't forget to like this channel, subscribe, share it with a friend, and hit that bell so you always know when I post new content Wednesdays at 5 p.m. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.